Welcome back. So we're looking at another challenge activity for code.org. This happens to be lesson 17 mouse input, and it's random around point. So this is what our activity says to do. It says, now that you can make the bee follow the mouse, let's make a bee fly around the mouse as shown in the picture on the right. In order to do this, you'll need to add a random amount between -50 and 50 to the mouse x and mouse y. So if we look down here, we have the b.x and the b.y is matching up with the mouse x and the mouse y. But what we want to do now is randomize that for that location. So I'm just going to show you, it's easier to do it that way here. So we're going to go and we're going to add a random number. And when we add that random number, what we want to do is say that this first one is going to be whatever the mouse.x is minus a certain number. So we're going to need minuses in this one and then pluses over here. So we're going to grab a math. So you can stack these all together in here. And then we're going to take the mouse.x. And then we're going to subtract 50 from that. So what's going to end up happening, it's going to take whatever the mouse.x is and subtract 50 from it, or perhaps go as high as 50 on the other side, and that's going to allow it to randomly move around the screen. Okay, so we're going to drag this one over as well, and we'll do 50 and 50, and then we'll do the same thing. So let's go ahead and find another random, and we'll go ahead and grab it's identical to what we did there, so minus and then plus. And then we'll go ahead and grab our mouse.y this time, or mouse y for the y location. And then we'll do 50 for this and 50 for this. So now wherever my mouse moves, you can see it kind of jitters around because like it's random, it's running random right now, and while it's not staying in the same place like it did before, now it's just randomly picking a number that's 50 less or 50 more than what the current mouse x location is. Same thing with the y. And then each time it runs, it's just randomly picking a number between that and placing it there. So this is how you make it do that. Okay? All right. Hopefully that helps you with this one, and good luck.